Alright, first bass of the day. Let's get him unhooked. Look at this guy! Alright, I'm back. Heading over to this spot. Got a couple new lures to try out. It's much shallower than it was the last time we were here. As you can see, all of this that I'm standing on was underwater when I was here last. And it's a bit clearer. So I think I have higher hopes for today. There are people where I was fishing, where I was hoping to fish over there, but we'll see. We'll see if we can't get anything. I'm just trying my spinner out first. Alright, not getting anything on the spinner. Been a couple little fish chasing it, but nothing big enough to take it. So I think I'm gonna switch out and move. Got my jointed lure that I caught some stuff on last time, and I'm just moving out into the water a bit to try it out again. See if we can get anything on it. I only have one battery with me, so look at that. Can you see that action though? It looks like a little fish is swimming around. It looks great. Alright, nothing yet. I'm gonna move on, try a different spot. Nothing. Well, just thought I'd try here before I bomb the spot by walking across, if I can get across. This part up here might be a bit sketchy to walk through. It looks a little deeper than I want to try messing with. I guess I'll go up further. But if I could cast in up here, okay, as long as it stays this deep, that's not horrible. And deeper. But here's a rock. And there's a rock. If I can get to that rock, I'm good. It was hard to see in that. Let's see, let's cast around here. Oh, hey, I'm on something now. Alright, we got a fish. We got a fish. Can't tell how big he is. He feels he's biting good. Ooh, yeah. Here he comes. Come on. On the ultralight. Oh, he's putting up a good fight. Oh, look at this bass. Yeah. Nice bass. Check that out. Alright, first bass of the day. Let's get him unhooked. There we go. Alright, he was just 12 inches, so put him in the bucket. If I catch something else, I'll go ahead and throw that one back. Maybe if I catch some more bigger ones. Let's try that again. He put up a nice fight on this rod. Alright, not skunked today. We're on a smaller one. Look at this guy! A tiny one. Oh man. Too small though, so he's going back. Third fish of the day. They're like feeding now. Oh, did he get off? No, he got off. Some stuck yakers. Oh, it's kind of funny just watching all these kayakers get stuck in front of me. What was that? That was weird. This one feels good. All right, just about every one of them has been when I wasn't recording, except for the, oh, he's a dink. Well, he's not, he's a little smaller than the first one. Look at that. All these are probably about a pound. Not horrible. Nice colors. Bye, buddy. Back to fishing until my GoPro dies. As you guys all know, I like to do that. So I'm kind of trying to cast most of the way over there because that's where I've gotten every single fish. I got this new crankbait that I'm excited to try out. Oh, instantly. Nice. Oh, he's fighting a little bit. Can't see how big he is yet. Here he is. He's not that big. But man, that was quick. Hang on. Oof. Hooked him all the way through his mouth. Oh, there he goes. That was fast. Oh, he's still on. He's not very big. He's hyper. Oh, yeah. Nice. Look at him. All right, another little bass. This one is yielding results pretty quickly. I never usually catch fish with these kinds of lures. No, that wasn't too bad actually. All right, number 5, little bass. And I'm stuck. Shoot. Oh, fish. Little fish. Really? I just caught a really small bluegill on the spinner. Barely hooked him. Pretty colors. Nope, there he goes. He's gone. Alright, well, I haven't caught anything in like 45 minutes, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. But this lure was a success. I caught like 4 fish with this lure. Caught 6 fish altogether in the last 2 hours. So, alright, time to go home.